Top 5 Lawn Mower. Number 5. American Lawn Mower. The American Lawn Mower offers an eco-friendly solution for small lawn care. With its 4-blade reel design and 14-inch cutting width, it efficiently trims grass without damaging it. Lightweight at only 19 pounds and equipped with durable 8.5-inch polymer wheels, it ensures maximum maneuverability. Adjustable blade height ranging from 0.5 to 1.75 inches accommodates different grass lengths, though it's most effective on shorter grass. This manual push mower is pollution-free, noise-free, and low maintenance, making it ideal for eco-conscious users. By following recommended mowing practices, such as avoiding wet grass and regular mowing sessions, users can achieve optimal results with ease. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER Electric Lawn Mower. The BLACK+DECKER electric lawn mower provide a versatile solution for lawn maintenance. Combining a mower, trimmer, and edger in one compact design, it's ideal for small yards. Weighing just 9.9 pounds and featuring adjustable handle and height positions, it ensures comfort and control during use. Its automatic feed spool allows continuous operation without stopping or bumping. With a 12-inch cutting width and 1.6-inch cutting height, it's tailored for compact mowing needs. Number 3. Yard Force Self-Propelled Lawn Mower. The Yard Force Self-Propelled Lawn Mower is a robust and reliable option for lawn care enthusiasts. Featuring a Briggs & Stratton engine with Ready Start technology, it ensures effortless starts every time. Made in the USA, it boasts durability and quality craftsmanship. Its self-propelled rear-wheel drive system offers excellent traction on various terrains. The 22-inch steel deck with a 21-inch blade supports 3-in-1 functionality for mulching, side discharge, or rear bagging. With a single-lever 7-position deck height adjustment and 12-inch high rear wheels, it offers versatility and maneuverability. Number 2. Greenworks Cordless Lawn Mower. The Greenworks 40-volt 16-inch cordless lawn mower delivers efficient lawn care with its powerful yet eco-friendly design. With a 4 ampere-hour battery providing up to 45 minutes of runtime, it's perfect for yards up to 1/3 acre. Its lightweight design make it easy to use, transport and store with its collapsible handles. It provides a single-lever 5-position height adjustment, ensures optimal cutting in any environment. The 2-in-1 feature offers versatile use with mulching and rear bagging options. Maintenance-free, emissions-free, and quiet operation make it a top choice for hassle-free lawn care. Number 1. Ego Power Plus Lawn Mower. The Ego Power Plus is a top-of-the-line self-propelled lawn mower provide exceptional performance and convenience. It has a 21-inch cutting deck and a powerful 56-volt lithium battery, which delivers up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge. It ensures precise and efficient mowing, with adjustable self-propel speed and 6-position cutting height adjustments ranging from 1.5 to 4 inches. Its other notable features include a push-button start, LED headlights, one-handed height adjustment, weather-resistant construction, and easy foldability for compact storage. With a rapid 60-minute charging time, it's the ultimate tool for hassle-free lawn maintenance. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.